taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our channel. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're gonna make it raspberry and banana milkshake. So with Sander and Antonia Septimo from We Love Food World. Okay, son, we're gonna make cream for raspberry milkshake. Okay, milkshake. Yeah. Okay, you like the milkshake, raspberry and banana?
What is berries? Is milk? Is
Raspberry.
raspberry? Is
Double cream.
double cream? Is
Icing sugar.
sugar? Is
What is that?
banana?
Banana. So let's start.
Let's start.
High five, baby.
Mommy, I want to take a video. Here.
Okay, guys, we have a raspberry
Recipe.
and double cream, milk, banana, and icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
We're gonna make
Make
milkshake, raspberry milkshake.
Raspberry cake.
Okay, see you later.
Wait, later.
Okay, guys, we have a raspberry milk,
Raspberry milk.
ice cream,
Ice
and cream. Okay,
Cream.
and banana here. And then, guys, I'm gonna put in put the raspberry and here. So nice and
Mommy! It's nice.
okay, people. Oh, ice cream, yeah? 1 scoop. And I need the ice milk as well. Wow, amazing, yeah? And tatakpan natin. Okay, guys. Inside is raspberry, banana, milk, and ice cream. Okay, so I need to on now. This. Okay, guys, look at that. Isn't it, Sander?
Yes.
Okay, let's start now.
Dada puts it.
Oh, wait,
Cream.
I'm gonna put it up.
Sorry. Then show.
You need to help. Wow, it looks amazing, yummy, huh?
Where's cream? What's
Wow.
Dada was taste?
Oh, my son already drinking. Guys, look at that. It looks amazing, yeah? Yummy. Okay, guys, look at this. Look amazing. So small. Hi guys, look at this. This is nice milkshake raspberry. Amazing. Hopefully you like it, guys. And thank you for your watching. And please subscribe and like. Amazing. Thank you, people. Love you all.
Mama.
Okay. Hi, bye.
Hey, but I want this one.
Amazing.
I want this
Okay,
one.
try it. Try. Yummy?
No.
Oh, yummy. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye now.
Cream.
Raspberry and banana milkshake with ice cream. Love you all. God bless. Bye.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from